The Warehouse Transfers functionality in Unleashed allows you to move stock between your various warehouses. Go to Inventory menu, Transactions, and Warehouse Transfers. You can view your transfers here and import or export data here. Let's create a warehouse transfer. Click Add. The system will prompt you to select the relevant warehouses and to add in the products to be transferred. When the transfer is in the part status, the inventory will be allocated and the availability will be decreased. Keep in mind, if you have a batch or serial tracked item, you would need to select the relevant serial or batch numbers of the products that are being transferred. You are also able to split a batch across multiple warehouses. Please note that you cannot transfer allocated products. If you attempt to do this, the system will show you an error message. There is no option to add costing related to a warehouse transfer on this page. You can, however, create a value-only stock adjustment for this purpose. Once you have all your products added, the warehouse transfer can now be completed. We recommend that you keep the transfer in the park status until it has arrived at its final destination, at which point you can then complete the transfer.